Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenida otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, what is up? Today, I know I have another one of my Dollar Tree hauls. I'd gone to a few the other day, so now I'm just getting around to sitting down and filming the rest of the stuff that I gotten that day when I went to, I think, 3 different Dollar Trees. Have a good mix of stuff. Holiday, fall, Halloween, and some home stuff. Got some candy, some stuff I want to try out. So we've got a good mix here. Before I get into the haul though, I do hope you choose to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell notification so YouTube can alert you every time I do post new videos. I try to get new videos out for you guys every Sunday. Still thinking about changing the day, not gonna lie. I'm just so used to Sundays. I'm gonna try to make this a video that I don't really have to edit, so we'll see how this goes again. It's just easy for me, you know? Into the haul, I'm gonna start with like the most random thing ever that like we got last second because someone wanted it, but it's just a Marvel placemat. This is supposed to be for like under the little kids meals, you know, when they're eating like at the table, but this one's actually really nice. I feel like this is actually something that you could put up on the wall if you wanted to. It's just a really thick plastic, like it's kind of nice actually, and for only $1 from Dollar Tree, kind of crazy. That's actually kind of nice. Now the more that I look at it, the nicer it is. And I did film me walking around Dollar Tree a little bit. I don't think I'm going to include any of that in the haul videos because they're already going to be too long, and like I said, I don't really want to edit them. But I did do a vlog from that day that should be up already. If not, it should be coming out maybe after this, so that you guys can see me walking around the store. I did a little bit of a vlog that day, like I said. I did share some of it, I think, also on my Instagram and TikTok, so look out for it there. All that information is always in the description box. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more walkthroughs of me actually shopping, because I feel like that's actually weirdly fun, even though I was super embarrassed. Okay, so then sticking with kind of random kitchen type stuff, I wanted another one of these little drying mats. So I want to have a few of these, so I'll probably grab these just about every time that I go to Dollar Tree. They're only $1, so I don't have to keep them for too long or like worry about them too much since it was only $1. But just got this one. It's the nice decor for fall. Let's see if I can kind of open this up. Not really. So it's like that really nice burnt red orange on the bottom, and it's just all the pretty leaves, but it's nice for fall. So it matches the little oven mitt. Again, something that I will most likely probably get just about every other time maybe that I go to Dollar Tree, just because these get dirty and it grosses me out. And if I'm not constantly washing them like I should be, they just get gross. So I like changing these out every so often, but these ones are nice and for only $1. So then we got the matching little, what are these? Pot holders. So this is nice though that it actually comes with 2 and matches perfectly with this, and the little drying mat for fall. Like, how cute is that? Oh my gosh, I have my makeup brush on the floor. Sticking still, I guess, kind of with like home kitchen, I got a ton of candies. Okay, candy. So obviously I had to pick up some Milk Duds. I don't know why. Is this like a good deal buying Milk Duds for $1 from Dollar Tree? I feel like it's not. Like, for some reason, I feel like it's been 88 cents somewhere, probably at Walmart or something. I just pick up out of convenience. Same with all of these candies for the most part. I saw all the different kinds of Sour Patch Kids that they have. I literally just got a huge bag of Sour Patch Kids. I know it's so bad. So bad. I need to get back on keto for real. Sour Patch Kids are actually like one of my weaknesses. So I picked up a few different flavors. So they have the berries. Sucks that these are kind of smaller bags. These are 3.6 ounces, but for all the different flavors, I can't really be mad at it. The Crush ones are some of my favorite. Like, if you haven't tried the Sour Patch Crush, you are missing out. Those are so good. And then I didn't know that they had strawberry. No one told me that they had strawberry Sour Patch Kids along with the watermelon. I always knew they had watermelon. I just didn't know that they had strawberry. The bags are smaller, but out of convenience, they were there, all the different flavors of them. So I definitely showed this on my reel and on TikTok that I found these are back out. The Werther's Original. These are the pumpkin spice soft caramel chews. These are amazing. I didn't want to grab really too many of these because they are a smaller bag. There's only 10 in this bag. Pretty sure it's 10. You can get a larger bag from Walmart. Just, I knew we weren't going to be going to Walmart the other day, and I had to have these, and I eat them like crazy. So you saw my reel. I definitely grabbed all of them. So I have a few bags of these, already put some away. But so there's the pumpkin spice, and then I did also grab the caramel apples. Like, are you kidding me? So yummy. So these are definitely fall flavors, limited edition, as you can see on the bags. I'm trying to miss the glare, but it's kind of hard to do. But so I got a few of those. They also have these are the hard candies for the caramel apples. I'm not sure if they have pumpkin hard candies. I didn't see that. So only one bag of those, but honestly picked up a few bags of the other ones because they're so good if you haven't tried those. Oh my God, they're so good. And then I've seen people talk about these energy drinks. I'm mad. It's like they got Bang energies and then they were gone like as fast as they showed up, and they never got more. Are these the replacement for the Bang energies? Because it definitely says on here, 0 sugar, 0 artificial flavors, 0 artificial colors, 0 chemical preservatives. Total carbs is 1 gram, sugars is 0, protein 0. These are probably still really not good for you, but I don't really know much about these. I picked up watermelon to try. What even brand is this? A-Shock? Adrenaline Shock. Natural caffeine. Okay. I literally know nothing about this. This one doesn't say that. This one says performance. This one says smart energy. But this one is the cotton candy. Natural caffeine, ocean minerals, electrolytes, amino acids, BCAAs, muscle recovery. I know nothing about those, but we're gonna try those out, okay? I don't know why I whispered that. The second bag, Dollar Tree has like different bags now too. No one cares, but I just think it's funny. Literally no one but me cares. No one but me cares. Some more fall stuff for decor because I had to. I'm actually super excited that I found these. I should have got 2 of each color, not gonna lie, because these are so cute. I feel like there is a third color of these, right? Is there like an orangey one? Someone let me know because I need Harvest Gather. They're metal. Fully metal. And then it's got like the little twine. Is it twine? It's not. Straw. And even this to hang it up with is like a metal. It's like a wire almost. These are nice for only $1. Are you kidding me? I should have got 2. But those are the only 2 colors that I saw at all of them that I went to. Dollar Trees that I went to. I picked up these, which I actually, as soon as I got home and took these out of the bag, I was like, I think I actually have these already. I'm pretty sure that I have these already, but like you can never really go wrong. I remember when I didn't have these like little open like shadowish box decor things, and then I just always felt like something was missing in random little corners of my house, and it's these that fill those little random spots perfectly. If you have little places, bookshelves, tables, corners of like your kitchen on the countertops that just seem awkward because nothing's there, these are perfect. Perfect. So these are cute. Just say Autumn Blessings. I don't know why they both say the same exact thing, but sure. I like. I'm pretty sure I already have it. And something that I really told myself that I wasn't going to get because I've seen other people haul these. I really told myself I wasn't going to get these, and then I got to the store and I don't know what happened. But I picked up these little trucks. I really don't know what happened to me. I was like, I need these. And they just... I had them. So I got 1 of each. So there's the green. I kind of tried my best to look through them and make sure I got ones that like weren't destroyed. But so here's the red. They're okay. There will be nice like little filler things. We're gonna see how my decor this year goes, okay? But so I had to pick those up when I saw them. Don't ask me why. I don't know why this year specifically I've been very excited about getting all of the sunglasses from Dollar Tree. They were just super cute this year. Like, someone else agreed with me because it was like this year especially they were super cute. What's up with my hair? So I got another handful of glasses. Hopefully I didn't get any repeats, and I don't really want you to see the whole mess that I have happening behind me. But so I got these ones that are like this like kind of like clearish blue, like a frosted blue color. I guess I can kind of try these on for you guys, but like I said, I don't want you guys to see the whole mess that's happening in here. So there's those. Can you see a gross reflection? Probably. These are kind of similar to those, but the shape is different. But these are pink. Like everything in my life right now, I guess, apparently. So here's these. The shape of these is a little not it for me, but the color got me. Ooh, these are kind of, these are loose on my face. Those fall. But I like these too for when I don't want to do my makeup, you know, just throw these on. How to grab these. I actually think I have these, but I'm hoping that I don't have them in black. I think I grabbed these in white, but now I'm not sure if they were actually this size or if they were like smaller version of the hearts. I might have those already. Hopefully not those exact ones. I picked these up. Why am I like whistling when I breathe? I found these in a few different colorways. I know for sure they had it in black, but I wanted it in this like clear pink because I just thought it was super cute. But if you can see without looking at all of the mess that I have, that it's got a little heart in there. It's got like a heart design in the lens. Cute. But they're very round for mi cara and everything, so I don't really know if they look the best on me, but I just think they're super cute. Last ones that I got are just simple, very simple, but they're very nice. So they're just clear, but I like that the lens is blue. And again, I really don't want you guys to see my life is a mess behind what's happening here. So yeah, these are cute. Whoa, the shape of these are really nice. Do I only have one that's that shape? Wow, it's like the perfect shape of sunglasses is this one. Like, I do wish they at least had like a number of them so that I could keep track of which ones I already have. I picked up some more of this deodorant. I don't know why, I just like buying from there. I'm sure it's not the best. Obviously, deodorant is not the best thing in the world for you, but it's something that I need for my life. So I like using just this one mainly because it's $1. So I usually pick this one up from there. I was running low, so I picked up 2 of those. And at the first Dollar Tree that I went to, they didn't have any of the natural ones. So I picked up a few from the other 2 stores that I went to because they seem to have a lot. So I grabbed some more of the Arm & Hammer. This one is the free of, why can't I read? Aluminum, parabens, and phtalates is what it's free of. But so this is the like natural one versus their normal. But so I have someone, I've said it before, I shower at night. I don't understand how people can shower to start their day. Like, that's the weirdest concept to me. I've never been like that. So I like using a deodorant at night. I usually use a natural deodorant at night and then a normal one in the day. I finally found this one. I don't think I've grabbed these yet. I could be lying to you, but I'm pretty sure I haven't seen it. This is the Suave brand deodorant with no parabens, phthalates, dyes, all of that. So their natural version of their deodorant. What's weird is it's the same scent, right? Rosemary mint, rosemary mint, rosemary lavender. So these so far are the only 2 clean, more natural-ish type deodorants I've found. So just a few repeats from the makeup. Only got a few this time, but I had to pick up some more of the Halloween Ioni little faux mink lashes. We love these. So these are the boxes for Dia de los Muertos. I'm pretty sure these are the normal ones of their Ioni styles, because it's the wispy spiky, wispy flare spiky, and this one's the wispy dramatic flare. I think it's really just the box is styled for Halloween and Dia de los Muertos, so it gets you to buy it, and I bought them. But those lashes are so good, and they're only $1. And I always hear people talk about how resellers love to get those from Dollar Tree and sell them for at least like $8, $9 to $10 when you could just get them for $1 from Dollar Tree. And they're reselling for crazy prices because they're so good. People will buy that. They're really good. So I mentioned it before that I will probably pick up the Kiss eyelash glue like every time that I see it. So I had to get some more. I'm hoping that they start selling the black Kiss lash glue. Oh my god, I forgot what it was called that fast. But I hope they start selling the black one because I don't know, I like the black one. It's the same thing. So last bag is some stuff that's dropping glitter like crazy. And I definitely forgot to get some more hairspray, but I think I have some that I can use here. I think. I need to spray down all of my signs and everything that have glitter, but these ones really don't want the glitter on it at all. So I've mentioned it before. You guys know that I love the faux florals at Dollar Tree. Sometimes they just do them really, really well, comparable to the faux stuff that you would get from Michael's, especially. I feel like Michael's is top tier, at least from like craft stores that I have around me for their faux florals. They just have the best. The Hobby Lobby ones are okay. Joann ones have always been trash, and AC Moore just no. But the Dollar Tree ones can definitely compete with the ones that I actually buy, spend my monies on at Michael's. Like, they look very similar. So these ones are more like holiday Christmassy ones. Oh yeah, it definitely is, because it says Seasonal Goods Christmas House on the sticker. And as you can see, even it's all just falling off. I don't know if it's because they're plastic material and then they try to put this glitter on here. It is shedding like crazy, all this glitter. So I don't know. This is the Frosted Greenery. I don't know. I like it. And just the little bit of glitter just obviously makes it look holiday. So I'm trying to be really careful about these because literally all the glitter is coming off of these. So I picked up 3 of each, it looks like, for the most part. Oh, I got 4 of this one. I think it's just because I couldn't get them apart in the store. But so I got those ones. And then the only other ones that I got so far, I'm gonna get these like every time I go. Don't tell anybody. So these just say the exact same thing on the sticker. Yo, this isn't the glitter. It's really chunky glitter, I guess, to make it look like snowy. But these ones I love. These ones are my favorite. This one's missing a little piece, which I think I have all the little pieces, so I'm not mad at it. They were like all stuck together at the store. But like, how nice are these to add to flower arrangements for the holidays? It's just, I'm telling you, that is the place now for me to get a lot of my faux florals. Oh my God, that's not glitter. Oh, it's a shirt. I was gonna say, no, it's not glitter already. Like, whoa. But so yeah, I got 3 of those like nicer ones. I don't want to take them out of the bag. They're in this bag. Okay. So I'm probably most likely gonna get these every single time that I go to Dollar Tree. Don't tell anyone that I said that. But so yeah, so that is everything from this Dollar Tree haul. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. Have you guys seen any of this stuff? Are you on the hunt for any of it? Let me know if there's any more of the faux florals that you think I should be getting that you haven't really seen me mention yet, because I love to find the new ones. But yeah, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you're interested in seeing more of me and my hauls. Hit the bell notification so YouTube can alert you when I do post my new videos, which should still be every Sunday. For now, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm not going to talk your ear off. Muchísimas gracias for watching este video. Bye guys. Bye.